Hermes bag unboxing, another new Hermes bag. Sort of. Let me explain. Quick story time. I'll explain why I unboxed so we get both. Okay. As you guys know, I have a few Hermes bags. Just a few. One or two. And I really don't need any more. I kind of just use the same, like, 2 or 3 all the time. Like, I just don't pull for everything else. And I have a lot of, like, bags that are, like, special. Wouldn't be worn every day, right? So I decided to, thought it'd be most, like, prudent and safer to start not keeping everything at home. A la Charles Gross, a couple years ago, he posted a video where he was talking about how he keeps all his bags not at home. Kept them in his storage where he goes and gets them every time he wants to use them, doesn't keep them at home, goes somewhere else. So I've been doing that. There's a place that I have not very close. And granted, I have a few bags here, a few bags in other locations, a few bags abroad. Like, nothing's all in one place, but I still felt not safe having everything in one place. Especially with, like, you know, things that are going on. People are getting robbed now. Like, people's houses are getting robbed. They're getting very smart. And I've seen it, a few of my friends and, like, people I know. So I decided a while ago that I wouldn't keep everything here because I'm not home that much anymore. I have a few bags abroad in, like, different places, and then I have a few bags in a safety deposit box and in storage units. And I found that service, kind of like what Charles Gross was doing, and I did that. But then I also found this service that will store all your bags in one place, or all your stuff, and will ship it to you. You can ship it to them and ship it out. Keeps all of your expensive stuff, and you ship it to them, and they'll ship it back to you when you want it. Kind of be doing like a 1-for-1 thing. You keep them nicely, you know, as bags are supposed to be stored. Temperature and everything like that. They're with other people's stuff, but I feel like it's a little safer. So I decided to keep only 3 bags at a time. 3 bags at a time here, any occasion, because I usually leave with 2, and so there's only 1 bag left at the house, especially because I'm not here that much. I'm not here that much anymore. I'm traveling all the time, and I want to continue traveling, and so it's just more safe not having everything here. Even though there are other people in the house, you know, it feels safer. So I'm only keeping 3 bags here. The service is somewhat expensive, but you're paying for basically having your own little cubicle for each bag, which is totally worth it, and for them shipping for it, and they're fully insured and covered, which makes me feel safe because I have all the safety protections here. I have everything in place, the security, blah, 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 but insurance, blah, 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 but insurance, a lot of people that I know get robbed, they are fighting with the insurance company for forever. It's really, really hard to get that money back. And even in my experience, I have not gotten it from when I get robbed. So that's only so much. I mean, I have all the other security systems in place here, everywhere to protect, but I feel more safe and secure having everything not here. And that includes jewelry too, which has always been the case. They've never really been here, except for what I wear every day. I have to go get things when I want to wear something nice. Same with my family, everything like that. I think that's a general thing. When I want to swap one out, I swap one out. They package it all nicely, you know, as if you're like getting a brand new one. And look at that packaging, very safely. So I thought, and I bought this, but it's like also like whatever. It's already something you've seen, but yeah, it just feels like a little better because I don't want to keep everything in one place, and I have been stolen from before more than once. Just for my own safety, my peace of mind and protection, and because of that, like I said, I don't like use most of these bags a lot. There are bags for special occasions that I keep closer in the safety deposit box, but it's not like that close. And then there's the service, things that I know I'll use more often, that I can drive to and get. Those of you that are still here with me, thank you, because I know it's a very long explanation to do an unboxing. Oh man, box got a little damaged. I've been using the Her bag a lot, as you guys know, and I've been using my black 30. So the black 30, I think the Her bag is going to go back, and this is going to be a replacement for now at least. So yeah, 3 bags at a time only is my limit here, and then I have a few abroad. And then the rest are now in multiple storage locations. Oh, and a few of my other places too, here. Anyway, that was a very long story to unbox Munchkin again, which, like I said, you guys have already seen. It's a little funky, but you got some storage. It's a mini gypsier back that we got from last year that literally worn once or twice, the plastic's still on. And it's dark green with palladium hardware. I'm trying to do more palladium hardware because I feel like it's a little less flashy and a little more subtle. Gold draws a little too much attention. Anyway, that was my quick unboxing and story time, so ready to be gypsy-aired.